Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove watch later videos on YouTube, playlist cleanup step by step clearly. Open YouTube on your computer for the easiest playlist management. Sign in to the Google account that owns the watch later list you want to edit. Click the library tab on the left side of the YouTube homepage. Find the watch later section and click it to open the full playlist. Wait for the playlist to load completely so all videos appear. Scroll down a little to confirm you are inside the Watch Later playlist page. To remove one video, move your mouse over that video in the list. Click the three-dot menu next to the video title. Select Remove from Watch Later to delete it from the playlist. Repeat the same three-dot and remove action for each video you no longer want. If you want to remove many videos faster, use the search bar in the playlist to find specific titles. Type a keyword related to the videos you want to delete. Remove each matching video using the three-dot menu and remove from Watch Later. To clean up items you already watched, look for the red progress bar under Thumbnails. Remove watched videos one by one to keep the list only for unwatched content. If you are using the YouTube mobile app, open the app and tap Library. Tap Watch Later to view your saved videos on mobile. Tap the three-dot menu next to a video you want to remove. Tap Remove from Watch Later and confirm if you are asked. To speed up mobile cleanup, tap and hold a video to activate multi-select when available. Select multiple videos you want to remove from the list. Tap the Remove option to delete selected videos from Watch Later. If you accidentally remove a video, use the Undo option if it appears right away. To avoid future clutter, add only videos you plan to watch soon. When you finish, scroll again to ensure the unwanted videos are gone. Refresh the page or reopen the playlist if the list does not update immediately. Double-check you are editing Watch Later and not another playlist to prevent mistakes. Close YouTube and reopen it to confirm the cleanup is saved across devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.